Before practicing rescue rolls, teach your swimmer how to pull themselves out of the pool. Start with both hands gripping the pool ledge and feet pressed into the wall. Swimmers will crawl forward out of the pool, placing one elbow at a time outside of the pool deck. Tell them to use their muscles and pull their tummy out of the water. Once their tummy is on the deck, have them bring one knee out of the water and push up with their arms, getting the other leg out of the water. Now let's learn rescue rolls. Swimmers should sit on the side of the pool while you explain and demonstrate the skill. Each swimmer will jump into the pool, come to the surface, and roll to a back float. After catching their breath, they'll roll to their stomach and swim freestyle back to the wall. This skill is practiced one swimmer at a time for safety. Also, at this level, this skill needs a heavy assistance. Safety tip: swimmers should never jump directly towards you. Most swimmers at this stage are nervous and will try to jump on top of you. Point to an area or hold your arm out to the side and prompt them where to jump. This helps them feel secure and practices safety. By mastering rescue rolls and learning how to pull themselves out of the pool, swimmers build essential water safety skills.